Hello, I'm Victor Engström, the creator of Sonity. Welcome to this showcase. Sonity is an audio middleware, giving you full control of your sound, all within Unity. Balancing ease of use with advanced features, it will help you to quickly make your game sound good. Here is a rundown of some of those features. Components for triggering sounds without code. Live edit and multi-edit everything. Automatic asset creation and reference finder. Music functionality, like playlists, stems, and intros. Visually debug sounds live in-game. Custom DSP filters and distortion per voice. Record sound parameters for automatic scaling. Highly optimized system with IL2 CPP support. Fully documented source code provided. Developed and used in commercial games. And crafted with my experience as a game audio professional. Check out the website, where you can find links to tutorial videos and documentation to learn more about Sonity.